You guys, look at my hair. Tell me how you like it. So we're going to use some mayonnaise to add shine and strengthen hair from root to tip, some eggs to help with the dryness and to help promote with some growth, and some olive oil to add moisture. This is the consistency when everything is mixed all together, and now I am ready to mix it all in. So in this next clip, I'm just going to be dividing my hair into 4 sections so I can be able to evenly divide the product throughout my hair. So this part gets messy, but it's well worth it. As you can see, I'm just putting it all in my hair. To me, this is like my natural perm. Like, this is everything my hair needs. I've been doing this for years, okay? And it works every single time. It gives my hair that moisture, that protein, and everything. I'll be taking the shower cap. I'll just let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I will come back after it has washed out. You can let the product sit in your hair anywhere from 30 minutes to 8 hours. For now, I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and get it over with. Hey Rockstars, so I'm back with my hair washed and clean. Yes, this is me in my most natural form. I don't know what hair type I have. I have 4C hair. I mean, I have type 4 hair, but I don't really know my hair type. Y'all tell me. But I washed my hair with shampoo, Head and Shoulders, Dry Scalp Care, because honey, I have dandruff, okay? So I have this As I Am. So I'm trying the products. I used the products in my hair before, and I love the way my hair came out when I used the Twist Out Cream. So I'm using the Twist Out Cream again today. I co-washed my hair with this Coconut Co-Wash. It's a cleansing conditioner. It has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw palmetto, and hold on y'all, phytosterols. Yeah, that. I'm going to use the Hydration Elation Intensive Conditioner. It has coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. It's supposed to be environmental friendly, so I'm going to, so this is going to be the deep conditioner. So I'm supposed to put it in on some wet hair. You guys, let me tell you something. I'm on my hair needs some loving, and I'm gonna tend to it more often. This dandruff problem I'm having, listen, you guys, it's not even no joke. It's no joke. And I really need to blow dryer sit and like over my hair for like 15 minutes because I don't have a dryer. Just making sure I got a good amount of conditioner. Make sure it's all in there. Hey you guys, so I'm back. So I co-washed, deep conditioned. This is my hair. Yeah, like as you can see, I'm trying to get these eyebrows right. So as you can see, I don't know like my curl pattern. I don't know if I have one, but I don't know. I'm thinking about training my curls, but now I'm about to do the leave-in conditioner, so you guys can see, with extracts of coconut, almond, sugar beetroot, green tea, lemon apple, sugar cane, and the fisterols and saw palmetto. So yes, yeah. And I'm just gonna like detangle my hair before I put the leave-in conditioner, and then after I put the leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair, and then I'm gonna come back when my hair is all twisted. My mom is gonna twist my hair because I just like when my mom does my hair. So combing my hair with this brush, brushing it with this brush. It's supposed to be good for like defining your curls. Hey Rockstar Angel, so I'm back with my Bantu knots. I actually kind of like this. It's giving natural. So yes, I got my Bantu knots in. Yes. I'm not going anywhere for the next couple of days, so I'm gonna try to make my schedule look busy so I have a reason to do something, to take my hair out, somewhere to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for how this look is with my twist out. So now I'm gonna put my bonnet on. Ooh. It's kind of tight. It means it's not gonna go nowhere. I didn't expect this bonnet to be this big. I actually do like it. I just took it straight out the pack. Day and night cap. This is good thumbnail. I will catch you guys in the next 2 days. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm getting ready to take this hair out. I'm gonna just moisturize my hair with this Rich Daily Moisturizer, as I am. The way I'm gonna do it is just go like that, just so we got some moisture in there. So these are my twists. So actually I'm gonna like put it in my hand, and as I take my curls out, I mean my twists.
so we could get that moisture. I like it. Look at these curls though. You see how moisturized and everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for the continuing support. If you like videos like this, make sure you let me know and I will be sure to do more videos on my natural hair. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.